Welcome everyone. Now let's revise some parts of speech in the form of a poem in 7th English book. Page number 9. The parts of speech. Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wand or bridal ring. The verb means action, something done, to read and write, to jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunctions join in many ways. Sentences, words, or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out, "Hark! I need an exclamation mark." Through poetry, we learn how each of these make up the parts of speech. In this poem, interesting thing is all parts of speech are given in poetic lines and also their examples are given in this poem. Now, what is the parts of speech? The parts of speech, there is first is noun. Noun means the word or words used in the sentence that refer to the name of the person, animal, place or thing are known as noun. These are some examples given here. Also, we call that proper name of things or place. Here in chart, some examples of noun: boy, girl, school, temple, camel, God, river, milk. Pronoun. Noun is replaced by a word of another part of speech. This word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Here are some examples of pronoun: I, we, you, it, they, her, his, our, your. Now, next, adjective. A word used to describe, point out, or specify the number of the person, animal, or place, or things. It's called adjective. Like golden, fresh, beautiful, dirty, sweet, sour, colorful, dark, huge. Next one is verb. Verb means that specifies the action taken or the state of the subject. It tells us what a person or thing is doing or being done. Here some examples are clap, sleep, cry, eat, drink, wash, sing, play, cut. Another is adverb, this part of speech that provide additional information about some verb, adjective or some other adverb that means how things are done, tells adverb. That's examples are happily, carefully, peacefully, easily, fast, cheerfully, entirely, almost, absolutely. The another one is preposition. The word or group of words that is generally placed before a noun or a pronoun to express its relation with some other word in the sentence is known as preposition, like on, to, up, below, under, over, above, into, before. Another part of speech is conjunctions. Conjunctions means is the word that joins two words or sentences. Also, some conjunctions are used in pairs like either or, as soon as, neither nor. Here given some examples are but, for, so, yet, nor, as, although, if, because. And last one is interjection. Interjection means these given words are used to express very strong, sudden sentiments. Grammatically, these words have no connection with the sentences. They are used with wow, great, hurry, bye, oops, yippee, yuck, hey, hello. Then let's find out some examples of parts of speech from this given passage and write down. Okay.